After a successful debut as a street-smart wedding planner in Band Baja Bharat and then following it up with a con man act in Ladies vs. Ricky Behel, actor Ranveer Singh has certainly got noticed in B-Town. So what's next for the new kid on the block? Well, Manisha Mahaldar caught up with the actor at the launch of a health magazine and got him talking on fitness, films and lots more.
Please welcome Ranveer Singh. Namaste. Ranveer, so what makes Ranveer Singh the perfect cover boy for a health magazine?
Well, I think the first and biggest thing is that I really enjoy being fit. I hit the gym at 16, which I wouldn't advise to youngsters, you know. I have a fair amount of knowledge about health and fitness,
right,
and about how to be a better man. And I've got it.
Six packs. No. Is it 6 packs or is it 8 packs?
You want to count?
I don't know if we can do that on camera, but...
Okay, we'll do it off camera.
So, since the last time we saw you, you've really transformed your look and you're looking much leaner. So all this for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Ram Leela?
Yes, a little bit for Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Ram Leela, a little bit for Ali Abbas Zafar's Gunde. I've shot a fair amount for Ram Leela. A boy from rural Gujarat who is quite the ladies' man.
Okay.
He's Romeo, you know, the quintessential lover boy, the heartthrob.
You've teamed up with Arjun Kapoor and Priyanka in Gunde, which is set in the 70s.
And Irfan Khan.
And Irfan Khan in the 70s. It's set in the 70s, and Lutera is in the 50s. Why an inclination towards the period film?
I haven't lived in the 50s or the 70s, so for me to actually live out a character in that period, it's movie magic, you know. It's what you live for. It's why you want to become an actor.
Now, you've been paired off with some of the best actresses, Deepika, Priyanka, Sonakshi. Who do you think you share the best on-screen chemistry with?
I've worked twice over with Anushka, Parineeti, Sonakshi, now Deepika, and very soon Priyanka.
Right.
But yeah, I think the chemistry that I share with Anushka will always be special.
All right, lovely talking to you, Ranveer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This week's release, The Last Act, is a collaborative film of a kind.